Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can delete image from Grok Imagine, or also I will show you how you can delete the data from that Grok. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here I'm on my browser. So process is the same for mobile and web, so just follow the process for mobile user. Okay, just open your Grok, login with your account. Okay, so there is a two options where is chart and imagine. Okay, imagine where you uploaded your image and try to edit, and chart where you have uploaded images or file from here. Okay, so you can delete from there both. So what you need to do, just select that your icon, go to the files. Okay, for chart you can see the all image of your chart. Okay, here you can delete one by one, just go and you can delete from here. Okay, so it will be delete. Okay, for imagine we need to go in here, option called imagine. Okay, so now we are into imagine. Just scroll down, just come down, and here you can go to the favorite and favorites, and here you can just click on this unsave. Okay, or you can simply open image and click on this unsave option, so directly you can unsave from here, so image will be deleted. Okay, so this is for chart. Okay, imagine for image, and here the projects, if you have uploaded any projects files or anything, you can see here. Okay, so that is how you can delete images from chart and imagine. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.